IT expert Gabe Belanger, president of Computer Geeks On Call. What can my company do to better connect our head office, branch office, and mobile workforce?
All right, the key to having a company with all these different locations connecting in is to set up a proper client server network that spans outside of the building. So instead of having 5 computers connecting to a server, you have a server that can connect to those 5 computers inside the office, for example, but connect in the same way to a computer in a different city, or an office in a different city, or even a client's computer through a web browser to this server. So the key aspect here is that we understand what you need to run, how you need to run it, and then we set up the proper platform. So if we have the proper platform and we know you have 5 branch offices and they need to run program A, B, and C, we just build in a system where they can connect in efficiently and access this software. If you're at the client site and you just need to run program A, we can build from the server out to ensure that somebody at a client site through a web browser can run program A. So there are a few different options that I know have been well proven and tested and very cost effective that suit these needs. So the key is we need to understand their requirements, how you need to access, what you need to access, build a server that can do all this in an efficient, smart way, and then deploy. So if we know the outcome, we can easily build that platform. Sometimes we can take what's existing and simply configure it properly, make a few changes, so you basically have what you want with the same equipment, just a few tweaks here and there to make it function. Now there are certain scenarios that can't function in this way, but it's very easy for us to tease out and identify and tell you so that you're able to make a decision based on the outcome, which is efficiently connecting your mobile workforce, your branch offices, maybe your salesperson at the client's office through a web browser. So the best way to set up this remote connectivity is through the proper service or server setup in your head office. That's where it starts.
Thanks, Gabe. If you have questions or would like more information, please email Gabe at mycgoc.com.